Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review ConsciousChemist 10% Azelaic Acid Gel Cream for redness relief and acne treatment. 50-gram quantity, retails for price 499 rupees, nearly 500 rupees, but you can get this in the discounted price. This is non-sponsored video and the product is available on nykaa, myntra, almost everywhere. You can check. Suitable for all skin types, paraben free. Cream formula. Azelaic acid hydrates, repairs damaged skin, heals wounds, and even soothes irritation. Next ingredient is hyaluronic acid, helps with deep hydration. Humectants are used. They draw moisture into the skin, keeping it hydrated and supple while calming the inflammation. This cream reduces redness and irritation, soothes sunburn. FDA approved treatment for rosacea. How to use: after cleansing, dry out the face softly and then apply on the face in circular motion. Personally, I use this on alternative days, not in the morning. Avoid contact with eyes and mouth. Do the patch test first. Here is my honest review. I have oily acne prone skin and this product suits me well without causing any irritation, unlike other azelaic acid serums or creams that gave me itching. This one didn't. It feels quite different from the rest. It's fragrance free and also affordable. The only thing is it takes a little time to absorb into the skin. I have been using it almost every day, though sometimes I skip it. Results are very slow compared to azelaic acid serums, which work much faster for me but are very expensive. I really wish brands would launch more affordable azelaic acid serums or creams. This one feels mild, but overall it's a decent product. I think a slightly more concentrated version would be more effective for stubborn dark spots of acne. I have already purchased my second tube and will share an updated review after I finish it. Currently, I have used around 60 to 70% of my first tube. If you have also tried this product, please share your experience in the comments. It would be really helpful for others. And also let us know which azelaic acid creams or serums have worked for you, whether positive or negative results. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.